This video is for men only. Tell your sons what your father did not tell you. This is very important for every man out there. Give your children or your child, your male child, this powerful advice to help him in life and to make him to be industrious and become a successful man. So what are the things your father did not tell you? That is, your dad did not let you know, so that it will enlighten you and encourage you to work hard as a man. Stick to this video to the very end. So the things you need to know are: number one, your father is supposed to tell you that a woman love money and respect who have it. Yes, women love money. So as a male child, you have the responsibility to work hard. You have the responsibility to bring something good to the table once you are married, so that you will gain respect from your wife. Your father did not tell you that women love money and respect anyone that have it. So you as a male child, if you want to maintain your respect from your spouse or your wife, you need to make money so that your respect will be at the fullest part of it. So that is it. The second thing your dad did not tell you is that hustle hard to have a good living as a man. Yes, though some parents or some father will tell their child this, but I came up just to remind you that you need to work hard as a male child so that you will have a good living with your wife, children, and a family member. Remember, like I said earlier, people love who have money. If you have money, people will love you. And if you have money, your wife will love you and also respect you. So you as the male child or as a man, you need to work hard to make a good living. Another thing your dad did not tell you is, if you don't have money, your teenage daughter is likely to have unwanted pregnancy. Yes, because your teenage daughter want to live a good life. Your teenage daughter want to live life just like the other children are living. The other children that their parents have money, she want to live like them. She want to watch a good television. She want to dress or come out with good outfits. So if you as a man don't have money, likely your teenage daughter can easily go to people that have money, and in the other hand, they may use her and get her pregnant, and this will make you sad as a man who don't have money. But if you have money, you are up to giving your teenage daughter whatever she desires, and this will take her eyes off from rich men and all these young guys of nowadays that make money in many ways. So it is good for a man to always have money so that your children will live a good life. Your daughter will be hard to get unwanted pregnancy. But if you don't have money, your daughter may go out there and mess herself up just because of money, and through this she may get unwanted pregnancy, which will make you uncomfortable as a man. So you as a man, work hard to provide for your teenage daughter and to provide all their need. That is it. Now, another thing your dad did not tell you is, if you don't have money, family members and others will hardly respect you, including your wife. Yes, if you don't have money, your family member and your wife will hardly respect you. So you as a man, you need to work hard to gain respect, to get what you want. In fact, if you don't have money, your wife can give you anyhow food since you can't provide. But once you can provide, your wife will cook a delicious meal for you. Your wife will serve you. Your wife will give you good things you want and make you happy because you have money. But if you don't have money, your wife will give you anyhow food and also disrespect you. Some of the times, she may not give you attention. So it is good for you to work hard, just like a man, to gain your respect from people and from your wife. The last one is, if you don't have money, your wife may deny you the road to Jerusalem. Yes, you know what I mean. But if you have money, she will even come to you and give you everything you want because of that money. Though there are good ones out there. Yes, there are good women that can condole and tolerate any condition. But 80% of women nowadays love money. So you as a male child, if you don't have money, your wife will hardly respect you and deny you the road to Jerusalem as a man. So these are the things your dad did not tell you. So I came up with this video to teach you and to remind you of what you need to do as a man if you want to live a good life and live in a society where you will be highly respected as a man. So thank you for watching, and I believe that this video is of great value to you. Please support this channel by subscribing and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new content, you will get notification of my new upload. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.